We all know Instagram is a huge platform for the photographers, for the designer to promote their business, to promote their design. It gives the opportunity to share your photos to all over the world. But sometimes we don't know all the feature of Instagram. Maybe we know, but we don't know the details. So in this tutorial, I will show you some tips and tricks of Instagram story that will make your photos, make your design more creative. So let's get started. So this is the first trick I'm gonna share it, and I love this effect very much. At first, choose your photo and then go to draw option and pick color by color picker tool and just tap for some time and release. And now pick the eraser tool, make the brush a little bit bigger, and now just make a circle or whatever shape you want on your main subject, what you want to expose, and then pick your draw brush again and make it smaller. Now pick a little bright color and just paint like this, create a circle around your subject. That's good. Look at this, it looks very good and I love this effect. And after that you can write something as a caption or your status. Look at the final result. It really gives your photo another dimension. And I love this effect. And now the second tips. First, pick your photo. And I'm going to show you how to create a drop shadow effect in Instagram. First, write something with bold letter. I'm changing the text. Yeah, I think this is good for this effect. And now change the color by color picker tool. And this will be the shadow. And now I am writing the main text. And now place it over the previous one, just like this. It gives you a drop shadow effect. Now again go to the type and type underscore for a few times. Look at this and then copy it. And rotate it. Look at this. And now again paste and just do the same as before. Now you can add some another text. And look at the final result. It looks like coffee shop is hanging from the top with a drop shadow. It's really nice. And now the third one. So first pick your photo and go to this option and select GIF, and now type collage letters. Look at this, look at the letters. It's really a good effect. And if you don't find any letter here, just type the letter like this, call us B, and look at this, the B letter is coming. And now place it over your photo. And now pick the letters and place it on your photo and create a great effect. So look at this, it creates a nice cool effect on your photo. And now the fourth one, this is also a typography. So I am typing something. Now look at this, type a letter and fill it with a color, just like this, color of your picture. Look at the final result now. It's very simple, but looks cool. And now the fifth one, it also typography. Go to the paint option and select the brush size, pick a color from image and just one drop, just one press with your finger like this. And now press OK and type and just put the letter on that color. Look at this. It's also a easy and simple effect, but it makes the image looks cool. And now you can add some animation. Let's look at the final result. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the next tips.